free. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Global IT Magazine page channel, where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneurs, talking about the various print-on-demand websites, online art business ideas, and a little bit about the online entrepreneurship. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to answer one of the most asked question, or one of the many artists and many creative designers would be having such question in their mind. So let me answer that question for you guys. So before moving on to the good part of the video, guys, if you really enjoy this video, and I know you would be, consider clicking on the like button. I would really appreciate that, and subscribe to my channel so whenever I upload more such videos, you'll be getting notified about it. Now guys, coming on to the question and answering that part of the question is the one of the most common comment that I also got on my video and also on my DMs, that tell me or suggest me some of the free vector-free websites or websites where you can get the free graphics for your print-on-demand shops or for your print-on-demand design. So I'm going to show you the 10 such websites on which you can use their graphics completely for free. But please make sure that you read their terms and conditions, their license agreement, before actually using their free print-on-demand designs, graphics, illustration, or whatever you are using from their website for creating your print-on-demand designs. So I'm going to show you such 10 websites in a second, and we will going to hop onto our laptop, and I'm going to show you those websites, and we're just going to go into their terms and conditions and license, so that it will be clear to you, so that whenever you are downloading any of the graphic or any of the illustration from those website, you would be aware of that how you want to use their. On to this part of the video, guys, and the first website that I have for you is unsplash.com. It's a free website which contains a freely usage images powered by creators everywhere. So you can download the free images, and you can also download the free graphics from these websites from this website, and this contains a beautifully many beautiful images and all about it. So just now, okay guys, for the Unsplash license, Unsplash photos are made to be used freely. Our license reflects that all photos can be downloaded and used for free, commercial and non-commercial purposes. No permission needed, though attribution is appreciated. You can download these photographs completely for free. No commercial, like you can use it for commercial and non-commercial purposes. No permission is needed if you give them an attribution that they would appreciate, and which is not permitted, guys. Photos cannot be sold without significant modification. Compiling photos from Unsplash to replicate a similar or competing service. So make sure that you don't do these two things, that you cannot sell their photos without significant modification. You can't sell their photos as it is. Compiling photos from these Unsplash to replicate a similar or competing service. So you can't sell to them. And you can go to these long form. Unsplash grants you an irrevocable, non-exclusive worldwide copyright license to download, copy, modify, distribute, perform, and use photos from Unsplash completely for free, including for commercial purposes, without permission from or attributing the photographer or Unsplash. This license does not include the right to compile photos from Unsplash to replicate a similar or competing service. So I hope that it's clear to you that how you can use the pictures or the graphics or illustrations from the Unsplash website. But guys, this website is really amazing because you have so many beautiful photographs. And if I'm gonna just search over there the graphics, and let's see what graphics come over here. So yeah guys, they have such beautiful graphics, and you can use these graphics, but make sure you know their terms and conditions, and I have already talked to you about those terms and conditions. So this is the first website. Now I'm gonna move to our second website that I have for you guys, is this one. So the second website, guys, is pixabay.com. Now it's also the one of the most common website which is used by many people, like many bloggers, many print-on-demand creators, and many more people around it. So this also contains a very beautiful image, and like you can, I have just already typed over here the travel, but I'm just gonna go over to the home page of the Pixabay. So we can read the terms and conditions. So it contains stunning free images and royalty free stock. It contains over 1.9 million high quality stock images, videos and music shared by a talented community. So they have more than a million stuff on their website. Okay guys, if I'm gonna use the Pixabay license, I'm just gonna read that loud. Okay guys, the Pixabay license, our license empowers creators and protects our community. We want to keep it as simple as possible. Here is an overview of what Pixabay content can and can't be used for. So what is allowed for on this Pixabay, what covers the license is all content on the Pixabay can be used for free for commercial and non-commercial use across print and digital, except in the cases mentioned in what is not allowed. Attribution is not required. Giving credit to the contributor or Pixabay is not necessary but is always appreciated by our community. You can make modification to content from Pixabay. So this is allowed guys. The 3 points are allowed. The rest points I'm going to read in a second which is not allowed. So which is not allowed, the first thing is that this section only applies to image users, not to appropriate image authors. Don't redistribute or sell someone else Pixabay images or videos on other stocks or wallpaper platforms. Don't sell unaltered copies of an image. Example, sell an exact copy of the stock photos or poster as a poster, print or a physical product. So you need to modify these images or you need to edit these images, then only you can use in your print on demand designs. Don't use it as it is guys, don't use it. Otherwise, if you upload it as it is and if on any other print on demand website they see that other person has also downloaded the same picture and is kind of like a duplicate of that, then maybe you get the copyright strike or maybe something like that. So don't use as it is, modify these pictures and don't portray identifiable person in a bad light or in a way that is offensive. Don't use images with identifiable brands to create a misleading association with a product and service. So I hope the license agreement of the Pixabay is clear to you guys, but it's also an amazing website guys. If you probably follow their license, which is really necessary that you do so. On to our another website, that is the third website in the game, is the Pexels.com. This is also one of the most common website. We are on the Pexels.com and this is also an amazing website. I'm just gonna go over to there. Okay guys, so here we are right now. You can see very well. They also have the best free stock photos and videos shared by talented creators, but I'm just going to read the license. So here is our license. This is the license, what is allowed and what is not allowed. The allowed is that all photos and videos on Pexels are free to use. Attribution is not required. Giving credit to the photographer or Pexels is not necessary but always appreciated. You can modify the photos and videos from them and edit as you like it. So this is allowed. And what is not allowed, identifiable person may not be appear in bad light or in a way that is offensive. Don't sell unaltered copies of a photo or video, example as a poster, print or physical product without modifying it first. Don't imply endorsement of your product by people or brands on the imagery. Don't redistribute or sell the photos or videos on any other stock photos or wallpaper platform. So I see that all these three websites that I talk about so far is Unsplash, Pixabay and Pexels almost have the same license, what is allowed and what is not allowed. So keep that thing in mind. Now moving on to the fourth website that I have for you is publicdomainvectors.org. Now many of you guys wouldn't hear of this website, but this website is also amazing guys. You can go over there and you can see they have the beautiful graphics and illustrations which you can get it downloaded completely for free from this website and can use in your print on demand websites, print on demand designs and all that. So I'm just going to read the license so it will be clear to all of us. They have the free backgrounds, free SVG, free vectors, open clip art, Corel Draw, so all these things are there. Let me just read their stuff. Okay, so about us, public domain vectors.org offers copyright-free vector images in popular.eps, .svg.ai and CDR formats. To the extent possible under law, uploaders on the site have waived all copyright to their vector images. You are free to edit, distribute and the images for unlimited commercial purposes without asking permission. Although absolutely not required, we appreciate every link back or mention of our website. So this is their license. You can very well read over here, guys, and also if you want to go, you can go over to the public domain and can read about it. But they also contain the beautiful graphics which you can very well use, and they have almost like 65,000 vector images in public domain, which is really amazing, guys. They have thousands of vector images which you can download it and can use it for free. If I'm going to just click over one, let me just click over one. Let me see what is their stuff. The public domain, so you have the license on this website as the public domain license, so that's why you can download it. But I'm just going to go over to this public license domain. What do you mean by the public domain? It is a Creative Commons license, guys. So let me just see. So they have this. The person who associated work with this deed has dedicated the work to the public domain by waiving all of her rights to worldwide under copyright law, including all related neighboring rights to the extent allowed by the law. You can modify, copy, distribute, and perform the work even for commercial purpose, all without asking. See the other information below. So these are the things that you need to keep in mind. In no way are the patent or trademark rights of any person affected by CCO, nor are the rights that other person may have in the work or how the work is used, such as publicity or privacy rights, unless expressly stated otherwise. The person who associated work with his deed makes no warranties about the work and disclaims liability for all the uses of the work to the fullest extent permitted by applicable law. When using or citing the work, you should not imply endorsement by the author and the affirmer. So if you want to read more about the Creative Commons license, what does that license mean and how you can use it, you can just click over their links and you can read that very well, guys. But the same thing is here, that you can use the graphic from this website, that is the public domain vectors.org, and you can modify them, copy them and do all those things. But just because all these vectors or all these graphics come in the public domain license, so make sure you read that before actually going into any depth or any detail. Now moving on to the fifth website that I have for you guys is vectz.com. vectz.com. Again, guys, I'm linking all those. So guys, I'm linking all these website in description box below. You can check it out for yourself. So this is also download free vector art, stock photos and videos. You can come over here and you can see their collection of vectors, graphics and all that. I think they have the paid option, guys. So they have the pricing as well, and they have the free option as well. So they have some paid option. All these before those websites have the free option only, but this one has the paid option. Okay guys, so what you can do in the free stuff is you have millions of free resources, but you can see very well that you don't have the full commercial rights. In the free version, you need to pay them for having the full commercial rights, and where you don't need to give the attribution and priority support and all those things. Although you can use it, but I guess you need to give them attribution. So keep that thing in mind, because this website is a little bit different from the rest one. So if I'm just going to read this one FAQ, which is really important. I thought vectz was free. It is. We offer millions of high quality free images to use for personal and commercial use, just long as you provide attribution. We also lock down some of our pro content and only make it available to our paid members. In some circumstances, it's not possible to create the author, so we offer a paid plan that allow you to purchase a license, so you can download the file and not to worry about the attribution. Okay guys, so on this website, on the vectz, you can download the free images and vectors and graphics and all that, but you need to give the you need to provide attribution to the author. Like you need to mention them that you have taken a picture or graphic from this particular website, from this particular author and all that. You need to give them an attribution, which is which is not there in the previously 4 website that I talked before that. But in this website you need to give them the attribution, so keep that thing in mind. But if you don't want to give attribution and you want to have full commercial right for using these vectors and images, then obviously you need to go with their pro option. You need to pay them some fee, so that if monthly is $14 per month. So using Vecteezy for free, you need to give an attribution to the author and all that. But if you don't want to give it, then obviously you need to go for the pro or paid version. But obviously guys, since it's a free website, you can use them, but you need to give them an attribution. So keep that thing in mind while using the Vecteezy. Now moving on to the 6th website that I have for you is creativefabrica.com. Now many of you would be thinking that Creative Fabrica is not free, it's paid. I know guys, it's paid, it's not free, but I'm going to show you one section on Creative Fabrica which you can get the freebies, which you can get the free graphics, free illustrations and all that. So I'm just going to go to see, it's also have a paid option and it also has a free option. Like in each week or maybe in each month, you would be getting many free fonts, many free crafts and free graphics that you can get it completely for free. You can download it and you can read the terms and conditions, like what are the terms and conditions for downloading them and how you can use the license and all that. So this website does not completely have the free option, but they have the paid option as well. But then if you go into the daily gift section or if you go into the freebie section of this website, then probably you'll be get the free fonts, graphics and crafts. So you can see very well, I've already come over here. You can see these are the free fonts, then this is the free fonts are there, then the free graphics, you can download it guys. You can go into the detail and download each of these, then the free crafts and all that, and you can read their terms and conditions guys. Can I use these freebies commercially? All freebies downloads come with a lifetime commercial license. This means that you can use the files for personal use, but also use them for products that you sell. If you are unsure how you can use them, you need to read their terms and condition. So they have the freebies, and I think that each month or maybe each week they have the new freebies coming onto their platform. So you can sign up on their account and make an account and can download these freebies on the Creative Fabrica itself. I'm putting the link of all these websites in description box below guys. You can check these websites out very well, but make sure you read the license agreement before actually using any of these websites out there. Then moving on to the another website guys, which is I guess 7th website. The 7th website is Creative Market. Now Creative Market is same as the Creative Fabrica, like you have paid option as well, and you have like each week, I guess each Monday they have new freebies coming on their platform. So you can go onto the Creative Market and you can very well check their freebie section and you can use their freebies, and like they have the unlock 6 more free goods, get 3 bonus free goods this week and 3 more next week when you spend $15. So that's the paid option, but you can download these freebies guys from their website. So they renew these freebies each week and you can get these freebies from their website and you can download it, and make sure you read their license agreement guys, because you can download these freebies from the Creative Market. Although they have paid option, many of the graphics and illustration on this website are paid, but each week they have the new freebies and which you can download it completely for free on their platform. And if you sign up for the email newsletter, then you would be getting an email each Monday. I guess you would be getting an email regarding their freebies. But if I'm gonna go into the license, it's license to bring your creative projects to life. Let me just read out, see what's there. So they have the 3 kinds of license guys: the personal, the commercial, the extended commercial. So it's very different. And what are the, okay, So if you are using it for the personal, then you have end products not for sale, one personal social media account with non-commercial activities. And for the personal license, you can't use it for your commercial purpose. You just have the non-commercial license. And if you're going with the commercial, then you can create 5,000 end products for sale with the commercial, and up to 5,000 physical or digital end products, unlimited physical advertisements, and broadcast streaming for up to 500,000 lifetime viewers. And if you're going with an extended commercial, then you would be having 250, 100,000 end products for sale. And you can go through these terms and conditions. Their license is a little bit different from these other website. And yeah. Now guys, moving on to the another website that I have for you is Global POD. Now guys, this is not a website. Let me tell you what is this, guys. I have recently made new stuff, and I have added like a few of the graphics on these, few on the illustration that I have made digitally by myself. So I'm putting the link of this Gumroad account of all these things in description box below. You can download it completely for free, and you can read the terms and conditions, guys. And I'm gonna add more of the graphics each month completely for free on this platform, on this account. So I'm linking the profile of this account, of this Gumroad account, in the description box below. You can download it, guys, and you can come on each month to download new freebies and all that. So I'm gonna keep adding the new graphics on for you guys, and for right now I have the 10 free graphics on this platform, and I'm gonna keep on adding more graphics for you guys, and you can download it and you can use it for your print on demand designs. Don't use it as it is, guys. Please don't use it as it is. You can modify them, edit them, and you can make changes to these graphics, these illustrations, and then only use in your print on demand designs. Don't use it like that, because if anyone else is also downloading the same design and they are also using the as it is on the print on demand website, then you might get copyright or trademark or anything like that. So keep that thing in mind. And also, guys, don't resell these graphics. Don't resell this just like that. You're not allowed to do that. And obviously attribution is not required. You can use it completely for free. And I'm gonna add each month more of the graphics on this account, on this Gumroad account of mine, which I have recently made for helping you guys getting more free graphics and more free illustrations for making your print on demand designs. So I'm gonna keep adding the more stuff and more of the good content for you guys that you can use in your print on demand designs on this account of, on this Gumroad account of me. So that is the Global POD. I keep it as a global because it's a globale, so global print on demand design. So you can download these designs completely for free and you can use it whatever way you want to. So that is the 8th website. Now moving on to the 9th website that I have for you guys is the hungryjpeg.com. And this is also an amazing website, guys. It's also like a Creative Fabrica or Creative Market. Like they have the paid option if you go with the paid, but again they have the freebies. They have the weekly freebies which you can download it from their website. One thing, guys, I want to tell you that many of the websites out there that have the graphic, the illustrations and all that, they have the weekly freebie option, or they have as a monthly freebie option where you can download their graphics and illustrations completely for free. But then keep into consideration the license, because each and every website have their own license agreement. So if you're gonna move on to the Hungry JPEG, they have the section over the freebies. You can go into the free weekly freebie or free font bundle, whatever one you want to choose it. And then you can see they have so many beautiful graphics that are completely free to use. Make sure to read their license agreement before actually using it. A single line with the monoline style for a freebie of the week. So if I'm just gonna go over to the license agreement and just read out, guys, so that you would be aware of that, how to use their free graphics. Okay, guys, so the fonts, graphics and craft lines, so they have The digital end products all contain like crafts file you can't use at the digital end products, only for the fonts and graphics. Physical end products unlimited and 10 different this. Then print on demand, especially for the print on demand guys, which is really important. For the print on demand, you can use their fonts for unlimited projects, same for the graphics, but you can't use their craft files for your print on demand designs. So make sure when you are downloading the freebies from this website, thehungryjpeg.com, make sure if you're downloading the craft file, don't use for your print on demand designs guys. So it's better that you download only the fonts and the graphics from this website for your print on demand designs. Don't download the craft file because you can't use it. It's against their terms and conditions and all that. So okay guys, installing or embedding on third-party software, you are not allowed to do that. Redistribute, sub-license or share resource, you are not allowed to do that. So keep that thing in mind guys, and then only use their freebies and all that. You can go and check their detailed stuff, like you can't use their design like the graphic as it is on the t-shirt. You need to modify them. You can see very well they have shown us the two examples. In one they have just placed it like that, and another one they have modified it. They have added the text and they have added all other illustrations. So you need to modify them. You can't use as it is. So make sure you read their full terms and conditions and also their FAQs and all that. Now guys, we will going to move on to the last website of this video. So let me just go over to that website. That is the freepik.com. Now guys, this is the last website. That is a freepik.com, which contains 437,000 free vectors, 100,000 vectors, see only for photos, PSD or all resources. They also contains hundreds and thousands of freebies on their platform. That's a free vectors guys, you can see very well. But again, I'm just gonna, this freepik.com does not involve collective use. The content in the freepik content is not used in a manner that suggests an association endorsement by the company or the website. The content, the freepik content or any derivative work is not used or included in a whole part in database, archive or any other media stock product or classification or any other website. Do not resell, assign, transfer or sublicense the content, the freepik content or any other derived from a content in the freepik content. Does not use the content of freepik content in printed or electronic items and all that guys. So it's better to read the terms and conditions before actually using this website, because they have the prices as well and they have the free content as well. So make sure you read the terms and conditions. So that's it for today's videos. I hope you really enjoyed today's video and you get some value out of it. I'm going to link all these websites in description box below. You can go over that, you can download these graphics and all that guys. And that's it for today's videos. I hope this video is helpful. See you for the next time guys. Take care. Bye.